Hello students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the part 5th of question number 5 of exercise 8.4 of chapter 8 of class 10 CBSE NCERT. So the question number 5 we have to prove, the fifth part of the question number 5 we have to prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 should be equal to cosec A plus cot A. Should be equal to cosec A plus cot A. Okay. So we need to use the identity cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So let us start solving the question by taking the LHS. So let us start the question taking LHS. So we will be taking the LHS. Now we see that in the LHS there is no term of cot and cosec. So in order to bring the term of cot, we should divide this cos by sin. So we will be dividing the numerator as well as the denominator by sin A, so that our whole of this term remains constant. Okay. So let us start dividing the numerator as well as the denominator by sin A. Okay. So dividing numerator and denominator by sin A. So in the numerator we will be getting cos A minus sin A plus 1 will be upon sin A. Okay, and this is a numerator part. Then the denominator part, cos A plus sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Okay, this is our denominator part. So we will divide individually all the terms of the numerator and all the terms of the denominator. So it will become now cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Okay, and this is our numerator. Now similarly we will be doing for the denominator. We will be dividing all the terms of the denominator by sin A individually. Okay, so it will become cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A plus, minus, negative sign is there, minus 1 upon sin A. So we have got this. Now cos upon sin is cot, so we can replace it with cot. So here we are having cot A. Here sin and sin gets cancelled. So here minus 1 plus 1 upon sin is cosec. Sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other. So it will be cosec A upon, again this is cot, plus 1, again this gets cancelled, and minus 1 upon sin A is again cosec. Okay. So we have reached till here. Now this 1 can be replaced by cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, because we need to use this identity only. there are three identities, so we need to use this identity only. In the question itself it is being given to us. So cosec square A is equals to 1 minus cot square A, or from here we can write cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Okay, so cosec square A minus cot square A is always equal to 1. So this one we will be replacing by cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, so let us replace. So we are having in the numerator cot A, then this cosec A, okay, and minus, we can replace the one, this one, we can replace this one by identity. Okay, so we will be having over here cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay, and in the denominator we are already having cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, so here now it forms the formula for A square minus B square. So A square minus B square is always given by A plus B into A minus B. Okay, so we will be opening this by A square minus B square, which will be equal to A plus B into A minus B. Okay, so let us open it. So from here we will be getting cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. Okay, and dividing it with the denominator is same, we have done nothing with the denominator. So cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, so now this cosec A plus cot A is common, so the whole cosec A plus cot A is common, so we can take out it to be common. Okay, we can consider it as one term, whole one term, and we can take out common from it. Okay, so here we will be left with 1 and here we will be left with cosec A minus cot A. Okay, so let us take out common. So we got cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A, 1 minus cosec A minus cot A. Okay, and in the denominator we are already having cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay, so this here we are having a negative sign, so when negative is multiplied with plus, it will get negative, cosec A will become negative and cot A will become positive, because minus and minus when multiplied gives us positive, gives us plus sign. Okay, so we are left with here cot A plus cosec A. Okay, and here 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Negative sign will get multiplied with all the terms which are in the bracket. Okay. So divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Okay. So we can clearly see that this term and this term is common, is same. See, we can see cot A is of positive sign. In the denominator also it is of positive sign. Okay. Then cosec A is negative. In the denominator also it is negative, and 1 is positive, and in the denominator also 1 is positive. So it gets cancelled. The whole term gets cancelled. It will go 1 times. So we are left with ultimately cot A plus cosec A, and this only we need to prove. So this is equal to our RHS. Okay, so hence proved. So how we started? We started by converting all the cos and sine into cot and cosec, because in the RHS it was given that we need to have the terms having cot and cosec. So the tip for this question was that we need to think how to convert it into cot and cosec. So what we did, basically we divided the numerator and denominator separately by sine A, because when we divide both sides by the same number or by the same expression, then the given expression remains constant. Okay, so we divided by sine A, both the numerator and denominator, and then we proceeded, and as we proceeded we ultimately reached our result cot A plus cosec A, which was our RHS right hand side. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.